that we've seen in the media. Sir,
I'll do most of them. We'll do.
Okay, one more.
We'll
This question
override
from Mr.
Mini,
Raj.
okay?
Here in the last.
Hold on.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good evening, sirs. Thank you very much.
Namaskar.
Well, everybody has said something and bits and pieces. We have this talent, and I just have to say something that you could have been, and you are. What we have seen right now is the talent what you have could have got Oscars anyway, awards at the level of Oscars, because you can come around and orate to any audience at any level. I don't mean to say just for the sake of saying it, but we've seen it just now, and we are seeing it everywhere, that this is the talent which is unbeatable, next of course to your acting maybe. So
yeah, actually the speech is ready. I just need to act well enough to make it to the Oscars.
This is excellent.
My speech will be awesome, I'm telling you.
I've
written it.
Hi.
Just need to act
The
as well.
lady who we cut off, and that's the last question.
Shahrukh, to your
In the
right.
last.
How do so many people have mics in the audience?
Shahrukh, to your right. Shahrukh, I have two questions for
The
you.
lady there. Okay.
अच्छा,
The lady there.
मैं सब कर दूंगा, मैं जल्दी कर दूंगा.
Hi,
फटाफट कर
this
दूंगा.
question for Mr. Raj. Sir, in the last, Ranjana here from Adgali. Hi. So first of all, congratulations for the new property. I just want to know, the show itself looks so appealing. You've got advertisers on board, or still you guys are working on it?
No, it's going to be advertised. I know that for a week from now, the tickets are going to start being sold. And one thing we've decided, we want to make it successful. We want to make more and more people to watch it. बता दूंगा वो भी. But one of the briefs that we have is try and price it so well so that more and more people can come for the event. And a show of this magnitude, we don't have to go to advertisers, they'll be lining up.
So is there any name which has been confirmed yet?
It's
that
a
you
little
can share?
premature, we have just announced the show.
Cool, thank you so much.
Yeah.
We'll keep you posted. Yes, the gentleman in the
Shahrukh
pink
here.
shirt here.
Shahrukh,
Wait, okay, here.
Okay, we'll take them all quickly at
Okay,
once.
we'll take
I'll do shorter answers.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
no,
Yes.
maybe.
Shahrukh, two questions. One is, will Colors end up bagging the television rights of Happy New Year?
Say it again, huh?
Will Colors end up backing the television rights of Happy New Year?
They've offered me $275 million. I've said no, I want more.
Okay, second question. We are talking about talent. We saw a new brave talent of Mr. Aamir Khan today. Have you seen the posters? What do you have to say? And do you think nudity has come of age?
All right,
in
we'll
Bollywood?
just take
You're saying it
questions
to
with
me.
the property.
Don't go there and say that's a talent, okay?
Yes, the gentleman here, he's been wanting to ask a question for a long time. Somebody give him a mic, please. Right here.
इसे चिल्ला दे. शुक्रिया, आपको भी. How it feels? Well, just tell you 1 second. Ooh. Especially the front part and all. Oh, my God. I am so turned down. I'll end this press conference right here, right now.
All right. Thank you so
I'll
much.
hug you- I'll hug you a little bit
Just
later.
one last question from the gentleman in the safari cap. Right there. So that's a cool cat. आदमी अपने टैलेंट को कब पहचानता है?
मेरे हिसाब से जिस दिन आपको लगेगा कि आप टैलेंटेड हैं, उस दिन आप खत्म हो जाते हैं. I really believe this. मैं बहुत genuinely बोल रहा हूँ और बहुत seriously बोल रहा हूँ कि जब आदमी अपने आप में मुब्तला होने लग जाता है कि मुझको ये आता है, मैं ये कर लेता हूँ, मैं ये कर लेता हूँ. मैं 20-22 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ. ठीक ठाक है, अच्छा है, बुरा है, ख़राब है, सही भी हो जाता है, बहुत टाइम पर ठीक पड़ जाता है. लेकिन अभी भी जब मैं खड़ा होता हूँ पहला सीन करने के लिए नई फिल्म में, तो मेरे जो घुटने हैं वो कांपते हैं. The day I feel I can go on a set, and I'm talking about personal experience, the day I can go and see I can break the 100-meter record, even for Usain Bolt. And I'm speaking of people that I've read about, and they all have the same thing. The fact that you don't understand your own talent, I think is the most beautiful space to be talented. The day you understand your talent and you think you're talented, then it's just a commodity that you're selling. So I think the best way to live life is not know what is special about you and remain ordinary as you are. तालियां बजाओ क्योंकि आप सफारी से.
True words have never been spoken.
ये बहुत बड़ी बात की है मैंने.
Fantastic.
तालियां बजाएं सब.
All right, the last question from you, and you're special, right?
क्या होगा कौन?
अच्छा, अब आप ही पूछिए. ये बुलंद आवाज हमें बहुत पसंद आई. आप ही पूछिए. Come on. नहीं, आपकी आवाज हमें सुनाई दे रही है. Come on, go for it.
अगर आपकी आवाज उन लड़की जैसी है तो नहीं सुन सकता. उनको बोलो. अभी तो अच्छी खासी साउंड कर रही थी वो.
Okay, just tell us your question.
शाहरुख, अभी हमने बहुत ही अनोखा आर्ट देखा.
विवेक का.
जी, वो
हाँ,
जो
रेडियम से जो
जी, रेडियन का. सलमान भी अच्छी खासी स्केचिंग आती है उनको. क्या उन्होंने आपको एक भी दी, गिफ्ट में दी है एक भी स्केचेस वगैरह बना के?
अच्छा, we'll move on to more pertinent questions.
Genuinely इतनी खूबसूरत आवाज से ये सवाल पूछोगी तुम यार. तुम अरे प्यार करती हो, गाना गाती, तुम पास आए यूं मुस्कुराए, तुमने न जाने क्या सपने देखा, ये सवाल पूछ रहे. अच्छा मैं एक बात बोल देता हूँ यहाँ पे, ये सवाल अब पुराने हो गए यार. अब तो हम गले मिलते हैं, दोस्ती है, प्यार है, सब कुछ है. अब ये सब खत्म हो गया.
बस खुश, everyone's happy.
सीरियसली मैं बता रहा हूँ, बहुत साल हो गए कि आप लोग यही सवाल पूछ कर फिर कुछ एक स्नैप बनाओ, चिक 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 चिक, ऐसा बोला. इतना पुराना हो गया है, हम बोर हो गए यार. ऐसे ही पूछ रही हो. मेरा नंबर ले लो. मेरा नंबर 9820075756 फोन करना, हैवी ब्रीदिंग करना उस पे, फिर मैं तुमको इस सवाल का जवाब दूंगा.
Okay. One last question from the guy here.
भोपाल मध्य प्रदेश. हाँ प्लीज घर मत ले जाना, यहीं रखना.
It's fine, it's working.
Hello.
Yeah, go over there.
Yeah, I'm from Bhopal. My name is Rahul J. Singhania. I've done my MBA in entertainment.
MBA in entertainment?
Entertainment. Then I work with different production houses. I work with one primetime show also.
Achha, what is your question?
Yeah, 1 minute. I'm just...
Okay.
Shahrukh is my... ये मेरे बड़े भाई की तरह है. Actually, शाहरुख खान के लिए मैंने कुछ किया था बीच में. And उनकी कंपनी के लिए भी.
Is there a question involved at the end of it? Where is it leading?
The Red Chillies के फर्जी ऑडिशंस चल रहे थे 4 बंगलोज में. I get the idea at that time. Even वो लोग गर्ल्स को अंदर बिठाले हुए थे एंड लड़के बाहर धूप में खड़े हुए थे.
किस चीज के लिए?
रेड चिलीज के फर्जी ऑडिशंस चल रहे थे.
फर्जी?
या तो I have submitted the CD also in your office at your home also.
Is there a question at the end of it?
Yeah.
No, so come to it now.
Yeah, 1 minute.
5,
I'm coming.
4, 3, 2, 1. Poof. All right. Thank you.
We can take it offline.
Yeah, we do this offline. Thank you so much.
We'll talk about this later. तेरी जो प्रॉब्लम है सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएगी. बहुत तकलीफ में है तू.
All right.
हाँ क्या हुआ क्या बेटा? मेरी कंपनी से मैंने भी जो सुना था सुन लिया और अब हम दोनों जो हैं इस काम को कर लेंगे. बिल्कुल फिक्र मत कर, मैं सॉर्ट आउट कर दूंगा.
All right. Okay, the matter got sorted is what we've been told. So thank you so much. And
okay, that lady one, she's been very sweet and very kind, and
all right,
she's going to ask a dangerous question.
The lady, the beautiful lady there. She's too shy. Can somebody pass her a mic, please?
No, it's...
शाहरुख जी, जो ये इस तरीके के टैलेंट शो होते हैं, कई बार इसके बुरे इफेक्ट बच्चों पे पड़ते हैं, बच्चे घर पे करने लगते हैं, तो इसमें आप उनको कुछ ऐसे उनको अलर्ट भी करते जाएंगे शो के दौरान की ताकि घर पे ये ना करें?
ये बहुत जरूरी है. बहुत अच्छा सवाल है आपका और आपने इतना करीब आके मेरे कानों में पूछा. Yeah, she's just asked. There are some aspects of these shows where it may seem that these are to be done by highly trained people. Most of these boys and girls who are performing, yes, practice बहुत करते हैं. Not only training, वो बहुत practice करते हैं. And some of the stuff that they show, yes, is unimaginable. It is amazing, magnificent. And जितने भी shows ऐसे होते हैं, मैंने खुद देखे हुए हैं. I've seen their show. Yes, most certainly. I think wherever there is a show, like if you have a tightrope walking act, which is done with 7-8 people balancing on it. I'm just giving an example, not that it has it. But if there is a show or an item which they feel can be, in any which way, even very little, harmful or scary for anyone to try it at home, I'm sure there is a censorship, there is a whole television control, and I'm sure these people, Rav and Raj and everyone, and I'm sure Mr. Kawal himself, they're very aware of it because as far as I know, and I'm sure they can vouch for it, there never has been an instance where what they have shown, जो उन्होंने दिखाया है, उसकी वजह से किसी को हानि पहुंची हो. So they will take care of it, and if there is, I think announcement भी होगी. Whoever is hosting it, not just the show that I do, I think even the other television shows and also, it'll be taken care of. And yeah, it's a very pertinent point. And again, most of the stuff that they show on great shows like this, don't try it at home unless you've practiced it a lot or learned it from professionals or the boys and girls who are talented. Yeah.
All right, that's all the time we had questions for, and we want to end with a note
I just
from
want to
Raj.
end by saying a big thank you to Mohammed Bhai and Cineyug, who have also worked with us in the last 2 years.
The most
to
wonderful
make this happen,
people
to
ever.
make this happen. And don't forget to watch Happy New Year.
All right, and before Raj and Shahrukh and Rab, you run away, can we please have on stage for a photo opportunity? Can